This video presents the formation or making of a wireless optical sensor to measure pH value wireless by using two Telosb, one photodetector or photosensor, and a laptop. It is easy. The project was done at Oslo University College, which is also a state-owned university college located in Oslo, Norway. Group participants of this project were Efrem and Mohammed. Our advisor was Professor Payman, and our programming guide was Nihat. It is a school project. It's the biennial school project. The sensor has a pH range between 6.6 and 8 because this is a biological pH range. It has a covering range of 50 meters indoors and up to 75 meters outdoors. It means this wireless connection is available up to 75 meters in general sense. The sensor has a sensitivity of 22 millivolts per pH value. It is a huge sensitivity because we send wireless. In this video, the working method of our sensor is described. It starts when a man connects the receiver to the computer. Then the sensor should be turned on, and there is overhead connection between the transmitter and the receiver. Then you have to calibrate it with the solution. And when the sensor is calibrated, then we can put the power cell culture in the sensor, and we can get a pH value of it. Here that starts the calibration of pH meter. We have used a pH meter with the name PHM 2.10. This pH meter should be calibrated with two buffer solutions. It's now pH. We have used pH 7, which can see the green glass, and we have a buffer solution with pH 10, which we can see the red glass. Then this pH meter is calibrated, then it's ready to be used. We see how here we have calibrated of the pH sensor. First we will adjust the pH value of the solution. You can just do with the help of adding some acid. Here is the solution as a pH value of 6.8. Then we must take this solution in the flask. There is important to note that when the final solution has a pH value of 6.8 and it has orange color, you can see here in this glass, which has the test solution is put in the glass is the orange color. Here we are going to test our pH sensor after it has been prompt. Now we can take a solution with a known pH value to test our sensor and transmit wirelessly to the computer. In this case, which we have a pH value of 6.9, we place this bottle in the sensor box. The solution we put in the bottle and put the bottle in the sensor box. And here we see we are getting a pH value of 6.9 wirelessly transmitted to our computer. This is really good. The next step is taken with pH value of 7.4. We take some solution from the beggars, put the solution into the flask, and this should be put into the sensor box. Here we see then the final result. It's a pH value of 7.4. This is perfect. When the pH value of the solution is 8, then it has changed the color. Now it seems like red. When we transmit, the value will be 8. When the color is red, the value will be 8. Here you can see how our sensor looks like. We have attached a green LED light in the base and on the roof of the box, which has our transmitter and the photo detector. It is simple. Here you can see the final product of our project, which is a description. The white box contains our actual pH sensor, and this sensor has a transmitter, a kind of Telosb. The sensor communicates wirelessly to another Telosb receiver with the laptop. This Telosb motor communicates with the computer and generates the measured pH value. To conclude, this is all how the pH sensor measurement works with simple wireless communication. If you have a comment or question, just write it down in the comment areas. I appreciate your comments and try to answer if you have a question. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe. Goodbye.